everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. If you are having trouble accessing Facebook dating and the feature is showing as unavailable, don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how to troubleshoot and fix this issue. First, make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Go to the application store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook and install any available updates. An outdated app could be causing the issue. Next, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for the Facebook dating. You need to be at least 18 years old and Facebook dating might not be available in all regions yet. Also, make sure your relationship status is not set in a relationship or married in your profile. If the feature is still unavailable, try clearing the app's cache and data. Go to your phone settings, find the Facebook in the app list, and clear both the cache and data. Then, restart the app and check if the dating feature appears. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook application. This can resolve any deeper issues with the application that might be preventing Facebook dating from appearing. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of Facebook dating being unavailable. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.